Welcome back, students. So get ready for the quiz. Let's start.
Number 1. Name the type of cell division in which daughter cells receive an exact copy of chromosomes from parent cell. Your options: A. Mitosis, B. Cleavage, C. Interphase, D. Meiosis. And the correct answer is A. Mitosis. Number 2. How many mitotic divisions are needed for a single cell to make 128 cells? Your options: A. 7, B. 14, C. 28, D. 32. The correct answer is A. 7. Number 3. The stage in which daughter chromosomes move towards the poles of the spindle is A. Anaphase, B. Metaphase, C. Prophase, D. Telophase. The correct answer is A. Anaphase. Number 4. Chromosomes can be counted best at the stage of A. Metaphase, B. Late anaphase, C. Telophase, D. Late prophase. The correct answer is A. Metaphase. Centrosomes are absent in dash cells: A. Animal cell, B. Plant cell, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Plant cells. Number 6. The point where two sister chromatids of a chromosomes are attached is known as A. Chiasmata, B. Chromatid, C. Chromomere, D. Centromere. The correct answer is D. Centromere. Number 7. Which one of the following is the smallest cell? A. Mycoplasma, B. Nerve cells, C. Ostrich egg, D. Paramecium. The correct answer is A. Mycoplasma. Number 8. Cytoplasmic divisions of a cell is called A. Plate formation, B. Cytokinesis, C. Mitosis, D. Synapsis. The correct answer is B. Cytokinesis. Number 9. In which of the following phase sister chromatids move towards the opposite poles? A. Telophase, B. Anaphase, C. Prophase, D. Metaphase. The correct answer is B. Anaphase. Number 10. Cyclin is associated with which one of the following? A. Glycolysis, B. Cyclosis, C. Hemolysis, D. Mitosis. The correct answer is D. Mitosis. Number 11. Which one of the following stage is affected by colchicum? A. Metaphase, B. Anaphase, C. Prophase, D. Interphase. The correct answer is A. Metaphase. Number 12. Condensation of chromosomes occurs in dash. A. Prophase 1, B. Prophase 2, C. Metaphase, D. Anaphase. The correct answer is A. Prophase 1. Number 13. Chromosomes are formed of dash. A. A. Nucleoprotein fiber. B. Polynucleotide chain. C. Prochromosomes. D. Histones and RNA. The correct answer is A. Nucleoprotein fiber. 14. Which one of the following is reduction division? A. Meiosis 1. B. Meiosis 2. C. Mitosis. D. Interphase. The correct answer is A. Meiosis 1. Number 15. Which one of the following cellular structures always disappears during mitosis and meiosis? A. Plasma membrane. B. Nucleus and nuclear envelope. C. Plastids. D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Nucleolus and nuclear envelope. Number 16. During oogenesis, the cell that is first fertilized by a sperm to become an egg is A. Primary spermatocyte. B. Secondary oocyte. C. Primary oocyte. D. Secondary spermatocyte. The correct answer is B. Secondary oocyte. Number 17. During mitosis, ER and nucleolus begin to disappear at A. Late prophase. B. Early prophase. C. Late metaphase. D. Early metaphase. The correct answer is B. Early prophase. Number 18. In which of the following phase sister chromatids move towards opposite poles? A. Telophase. B. Anaphase. C. Prophase. D. Metaphase. The correct answer is B. Anaphase. Number 19. Among the following, which one is not the substage of mitosis? A. Prophase, B. Metaphase, C. Anaphase, D. Nucleation. The correct answer is D. Nucleation. Number 20. Which one of the following is the microtubule organizing center? A. Centrosome, B. Kinetochore, C. G2 phase, D. Centrioles. The correct answer is A. Centrosomes.
Good luck, students. Thank you for watching.